I'm trying to go this 1975 Volkswagen Type 2. It was recently restored. It has a flat 4-cylinder engine. Put how much horsepower that is. With a 4-speed automatic or 4-speed manual transmission. Sorry, it's been a minute. I was in Italy, so I haven't really got to make videos. Even though you all saw a couple of videos from Italy, but other than that, we're back at RP Garage. My name is Alex. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. It has been a minute since I've made a video. And Alex, where have you been? I was in Italy, and I really never got to make videos. I tried posting some content, but really nothing. Got some videos done there. This is our first Volkswagen bus we've done, and I'm ready for it. So let's do this. If you love Volkswagen buses, this is the perfect video for you guys. Here it is. So we got the stainless steel Volkswagen logo on here. We got the front vents, the wipers. So it's a two-tone cream and red color, which I think is really nice. We got a Ram coming in. We got the lights. I really do love these Volkswagen buses. We got the side lights, orange side lights. We got the front bumper all in like a cream coat, which I think is really nice. We got the antenna. For you guys that don't know, cars used to have antennas back in the day for kids that don't really know that. We got the stainless steel side mirrors and the stainless steel around the mirrors. For some reason you couldn't speak. We got the handle right here. You open that to open the door. It's a bit of a step in. There we go. We got 14-inch wheels with stainless steel hubcaps with a cream color around the hubcap, which I think is nice on the rims. We got a bit of a step. We got a wood rack. We got a cream color around the rear bumper, which I think is pretty nice. And we got our single exhaust, which I think is kind of funny. And then we got the window with and then there's the Volkswagen logo on it. And we got this. I think you press this. Wow! Cool. Make sure I don't pull on, slam it. You gotta be careful. You gotta be gentle. Here, I'm gonna show you a 360 around the car. Now we're going on the inside, and we're gonna show you guys the engine at the end of the video. I almost said episode. Just give me a break, guys. It's been a minute, and let's do this. So for you guys that don't know, I said it earlier, but boom, got a bit of a step. So we got a white interior in the cloth, so it's a two-tone, gray and white. Almost fell off. I need y'all to subscribe. We're trying to get 10K by the end of this month, and please hit the like button. So let's do this. So we got a black handle. This is how you open the door. It's all black. Here's the window. The black steering wheel. Yes, it's a 2-spoke steering wheel. I was like, am I this right? We got the lights. We got the shifter, 4-speed. We got maybe the wipers here, and then maybe some blinkers maybe. Don't know what that says. Blinkers, and then maybe the wipers. And then you got the horn, maybe lights there, emergency signals here. We got something here. I sadly can't turn on the car, so I would if I could. We got a dash mount basket. We have square weave carpeting all around the car. I kind of like it, but I feel like it's a little much. So we got the what's it called? Manual, the brake, the accelerator. We got this thing. I'm gonna guess this is maybe the emergency brake. I have no clue. I can't test it because I can't turn on the car. We got the AC right here. Of course the wipers, the back mirror. I like the, what's it called? This interior, the spots, the gray, and white. We will show you guys the back over there and see what rate the comfort is. They're struggling with the car over there. We got the dash right here. Got something right here. Can't turn it on, so I really don't know what it is. Oh, sorry about that. We got the Pioneer sound system right here, and then we got the a basket. That's really it. Let's get to the back, and then stay to the end of the video so I can show you guys the engine. That's if I can. Oh yeah, I forgot to give you all the comfortness. The comfortness is like a 7. I really like those like seating. I think it's really nice. And then let's get on to the back, or to the, yeah. So, to open the door is very hard. So, they forgot to, I don't know. Boom. Basically the same thing. It was very springy. We got the light. This bus is kind of falling apart. But I think it's very comfortable. Just put a mystery machine, get the mystery machine wrap on it, doing Scooby-Doo. Boom. We're not really gonna check that because it's really the same seating, probably. And then here's the back. Oh, it's actually like not springy. What the heck? It's very firm. So maybe like this is 7, that's an 8, and then let's go show you the engine. I have bad news. I don't know how to open it, so I can't show you. I legit looked everywhere for it. So leave in the comments below, how do you open this thing up? I think it's cool. I gave it like a 5. This car is kind of falling apart. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. This is our first Volkswagen bus. Please hit the like button. Thank you, RPM Garage, for letting me review this car. And please leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and have a good day.